All right, this is what this estate sale right here that we're picking up looks like. It's not even a sale. My buddy couldn't do this, so he said, come pick all this up and you can have it. There's the mushrooms there. There's a shelf of mushrooms, lots of teacups. Wow, this is going to be interesting. Chairs, clothes. Another cabinet full of stuff here. A lot of teacups. That's an interesting couch right there. What is all of this? Dibs on the Christmas lights. What's in here?
Now we're putting our fat fingers through people's stuff.
It's all right. Is there watching it?
Shit ain't even empty.
This mine?
No, that's mine.
You didn't get me one?
No, I didn't know if you wanted one.
That's how we're gonna be.
If you want, we'll have some.
It's always costume jewelry in the dressers. Always costume jewelry. Matthew. Tube TV box. That's gotta go. That's gotta go. This one has personal paperwork too. Oh, sweet. Nope, that's not pennies. I thought those were pennies in there. What is it? Not Louis? Oh, some cool costume here. This will be a good lot for Friday. Put all the costume aside. Oh, look at that. That's kind of nice. It's broken, but still nice. That's an Elgin. Look at that.
This dresser's nice.
Look at that. Some nice stuff I'm seeing. Anything like super dope, we set aside for Saturday. Right off the bat, you know what I mean? Our Saturday, guys. Try to go. Oh, look at that. What's that?
What?
Our change man. I need them silver?
1 foot, they see. They're wheats.
The pennies. Like I said, we get $500 to clean this out. Not like we gotta pay for it. That's gold. That's like the one that screw is. Here, look at this. Look at that dope hat. That's Harold right there. That's Saturday. That's Joe on Saturday right there. It's $15-20 for Joe. I'm shouting out everybody who's gonna be buying, who's gonna be getting this stuff.
We might have to keep this one, Michael.
What's that?
His hat.
Why? That's pretty dope right there.
It's 18.
See that right there? That's got to be $20-30.
What do you think happened? They just died.
No, they sold their house and they're moving on.
Just left it.
Or their family said, you know, mom and dad. Damn. Cool stuff.
Give me this hat.
You want that hat?
You know what it is?
Where? Oh yeah, I'd probably pay like $6 grand for a unit like this.
Look at the quarters.
Oh, where's the quarters at?
There's 2 in there.
They're all empty trunks. So you know what we do? Best stuff goes in here. Our good stuff. So that when we show up to the flea market on Saturday. Ooh, this is $100 right here, maybe. Maybe not. It's a nice cabinet though. We can take that full. Yeah, we'll just use the trunks for all sorts of nice stuff. We'll show up Saturday morning, make a quick buck. Ooh, look at all these black and white photos. Ooh. Ooh. Look at that. You see that? And we don't got to return these. We get to sell them. So are we gonna make any money? Look at that. That's kind of nice. Oh, we got records in here? Oh, man.
You know we buy shit of you in minutes. If this cuts us on sale.
But there's just... What do we got in here? A little bit of records. A little bit of Elvis.
World War II letters.
All right. That's all good. We need to put that in trunks. Oh, we got everything we want to see in a storage unit, but we got it for free. There's something fragile in there. I don't know. I'm trying to figure out where the hidden. We haven't even seen the garage.
I know.
There's another hat that's cool.
Kitchen area.
Well, because, yeah, you have to figure we have to take everything. Everything inside of the cupboards, not a bad set of dishes. She flaked on me. Ooh, nice pans. All right, so we got trunks everywhere. All trunks, everything. Ooh, look at that. That's a good Saturday load. That's a good Saturday load. Oh, man, I'm digging that Saturday stuff. Saturday guys are going to be all over it. Well, it's not as bad as I thought it would be when he said it's packed, you know? Ooh, I got dibs in the lawnmower. I'm keeping that.
I wouldn't even know where.
Huh? We just started loading the truck. I wonder if your truck will go right. Just stuff, blankets, packing, paint, tape, tools. Anything of value, no?
Stuff.
Nice little ring you found with the missing stone. Did you break that?
No, it's okay.
Cheap China stuff. Ooh, tweaker beakers. Oh, we could smoke meth with that. You know, because everybody thinks we're meth heads.
What? Huh?
Yeah, people always telling me I'm a meth head. The way we go through boxes, and especially in a safe video, they're always like, oh, they could buy lots of meth now. 40 years, everybody in my life probably done meth. I ain't never done it once. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Mushroom pitchers can go. That cabin's dope right there. I see us getting 100 from that. A little bit of knickknackies and then just junk. Yeah. What'd you get him doing? Yeah, everything here can go to Stockton tomorrow. Everything right there can go to Stockton tomorrow. Everything up there. That's kind of cool. This can go to Concord. Who? What?
Going through the stuff in the house. I wonder what he was doing. Why did he say that? Let's see right here.
Oh! You know who wants these teacups?
Who?
I can already tell you right now. We got those sold.
Who's that? He must be talking about you, because I didn't get him on no snap.
It's a nice little teacup collection.
Want me to take the other stack of stock and stuff?
What's
in the kitchen?
What do you mean? Yeah, we can bring it out there. Citizen. Almost looks like it could be gold.
That's what I thought might be.
And that's where the ring was sitting, was right there?
Inside the safe, you know, watches.
Interesting. What's that? That's a nice belt buckle there. Yeah. I got you covered, buddy. What? It would be so funny if you did, though.
I'm gonna start a mother effing.
These go with the photos. One, estate clean out. This is what we got done so far. Right here. Cabinets are all empty. This is for next load. Empty, empty, boom. Kitchen is knocked out. Everything, the cupboards are done. Everything. We got this room to go still.
Telling you, hire your boys. If you need a job done, no job
got
too
that
big, no job too small. One fat guy and one guy's tall.
Boom, this room's pretty much done. Okay. Bathroom here. We haven't touched this room yet. And we barely, we got something going in this room. All right, trailer is loaded down. Load 1, state sale, state clean out, ready for Stockton. It's a cool paperwork here. The guy's gonna have a field day tomorrow on this shit. Ooh, look at that. That's cool. I haven't even got a chance to look at this stuff. Alice wouldn't let me look the other day.
You want it?
Yeah, he said we gotta hurry up. Oh, here's a little.
What's in that little thing there?
Magnifying glass? No. It's a
Makeup kit.
Yeah, makeup kit.
Oh, that's old.
Yeah, this is good for the. This is good for the little thing we're gonna do. Hey, Alex. All right. There's some cool stuff here for sure. What is it? Pick a side. They're fine. If I did an Uncle Michael, it's great.
They are.
What? What rails? It's not that. It's a door on the other side. It's the latch, see?
Hold on.
Come on, Uncle Michael. At your age, you should be on top of this.
Go.
Oh, don't blame it on me. You knew that was down.
My side, you this side.
You're getting old. We got this load right here, too.